Hi there, welcome to my channel Aqualuna73. This is going to be a divine male and divine female reading for the air signs, which is Libra, Aquarius and Gemini. This is a general reading for the divine male and divine female reading. There is no extendeds available on these specific readings. It could resonate in any part of to any part of your life. It's not only your energies that's going to spill through, also the person that you're dealing with. What else is there? Please also be in mind you still need to get your birth chart calculated in order for you to get the maximum benefit of all the readings, because you also have other placements. I'm going to use the Karma Music Tarot deck and the Land Sky Oracle deck. I apologize. I know I'm very late with my readings, and I was very busy, and I still am very busy, so I'm going to try and accommodate everyone. Okay, so let's just start. What else did I want to say? I remember I wanted to say something. Anyway, let's just start the reading. Air signs, divine male and divine female air signs. Universe, what lessons and messages do you have for the divine male and the divine female air signs today? Lessons and messages. Lessons and messages for the divine male and the divine female air signs today. Oh no, these are too many cards. Can't take those. What lessons and messages do you have for the divine male and the divine female air signs today? Okay. I sense something like aggravation. Aggravation is what just... It's almost like someone that's agitated by something. I don't know what. I don't know if this is you. I'm not agitated at the moment, so this is definitely not me. Okay. I don't know if I don't know who watches my channel. I don't know. I do intuitive readings, and if you don't believe in stuff like that, by all means, you don't need to watch my channel. Okay. But I distinctly just felt like someone that felt agitated. Almost like someone that feels annoyed by something. I don't know what. But it's definitely not my feeling. Two of coins is the bottom of the deck. Two of coins is at the bottom of the deck. Okay, okay, this is a divine male and divine female reading. Universe, what lessons and messages do you have for the divine male and the divine female? What lessons and messages do you have for the divine male and the divine female? Sorry, I'm very clumsy. And the cards fell out, but I didn't even start to shuffle yet. So let's just start. Purity. Purity. I don't know why I just felt such a sense of sadness that just came over me. I don't know why. I can remember a very long time ago I made a reading. I cannot remember what the reading was. For it's been almost a year, more than a year that I have this channel, and the same card that popped up for this, that specific reading popped up for this reading. Mushrooms is usually something that comes after a disaster happens on earth. The mushrooms come and they come cleanse. Okay, it's like a cleansing energy. It comes to cleanse the earth, basically, to restore. Okay, so I'm going to just, there's no animal totem today. So the word that comes to mind today is restoration, something being restored, purity, cleanliness, breath consciousness. There is a sweet simplicity about mushrooms. When there is a human-made ecological disaster, I just told you, mushrooms are the first on the scene to help clean it up. Listen to what nature is here to teach you. Remember, you are a part of nature. So Cha reminds you to be pure. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. To be pure and clear. Start inside and work your way out. Moreover, one gains purity of sattva, cheerfulness of mind, one-pointedness, mastery over the senses, and a fitness for self-realization. Restoration. Okay, this is a word that came to mind. Is something being restored? I don't know exactly what this is that's going to be restored, but I don't know if this is going to be a collective divine and divine female reading, but it distinctly comes through as something that's going to be restored. You're at the bottom of the deck, you have the Two of Coins. The Two of Coins is something that speaks of someone that needs to choose, multitasking and weighing options, many options. This person is, in this deck, this person comes across as someone that's confused. This person feels overwhelmed by something. We'll see here. He's holding his head. This person feels overwhelmed by something. This person feels overwhelmed and is struggling with something. I don't know exactly who I'm speaking to, what sounds I'm speaking to, divine male, divine female. It could be emotions, it could be problems that this person has, but this person feels overwhelmed. And this card here that you got from the oracle, from the universe, is telling you that something is going to be restored. You start off the reading with a Ten of Swords. And the Ten of Swords is one of the cards that represents transformation, because this woman in this card, she has a black rose. And this woman stands there and she is, it's almost like this man is not taking note of this woman. It's like, I wouldn't say he's ignoring her. He's not ignoring her. This person that I'm speaking to, divine male or divine female, it's strongly get a distinct feeling that I'm speaking to a divine male energy here because of this man. It's like this person is like I said, it's something that's going to be restored. I don't know what exactly is going to be restored, but this person is, it's almost the word that comes to my in over the head. What the hell? That's just like popped in. Sorry, that's just something that popped into my head now. This person is in over the head. What the hell even that means? Okay. With the Ten of Swords, it's like this person, it's like this person hit rock bottom with this card. But there is transformation here also. I'm not sure if this person sees this transformation in front of them or if they are ignoring it. I'm not sure. But this card also, there is restoration in store for you somewhere. I just cannot see if this person is possibly blocking this. I think this person is blocking this. This person needs to choose, but they have the inability to commit. It's like with the Two of Coins, they cannot commit to something. Or they might not want to commit to something. I don't know, maybe commitment scares this person. I don't know who I'm talking to. Okay, Nine of Cups is the next card. The Nine of Cups usually speaks of wishes coming true, material abundance, good health. You'll see here there's a silhouette of a mother overlooking a boy while he is playing. This is an indication of security and safety and harmony, and you know, the type of security that all of us desire and want. Homely safety, homely security. Safety where you can be yourself, etc. This is, this is what you, I don't know exactly. There's restoration in store for you. The restoration that's in store for you comes in the form of a Nine of Cups. Okay? This is what the universe is telling you. But you're also blocking this somehow. I apologize also for that background noise. My kids can make a lot of noise. It's like you're blocking this, okay? But there is this for you. This Nine of Cups is waiting for you. I'm not sure if I'm talking to a divine male that cannot commit, because I might be talking to with the Five of Coins and the Knight of Cups. The Five of Coins usually speak about poverty and isolation and financial loss. Okay? I'm not sure who I'm speaking to, but this person that I'm speaking to, divine male, divine female, could be scared of financial loss. If this is a divine male and divine female, this is a divine male and divine female reading. Okay, I'm just going to tell you what I pick up here. It comes across as if I'm speaking to a divine male. This person is struggling to commit. This person is possibly struggling, possibly with consistency. There's restoration in store for this person in some kind of form, like in a relationship or something. I don't know exactly what this is. But it's like this person that I'm speaking to with the Five of Coins and with the Knight of Cups. It's like this person sees this. It's like this person doesn't see this as a worthy investment, basically, with the Five of Coins. Like it's a gamble. If this is a relationship dynamic, it's almost like this person is not seeing the worth of investing in this. It's like they don't see the worth of investing in this with the Five of Coins. With the Knight of Cups as the next card, The Knight of Cups is someone that's charming, romantic. It could be with the Five of Coins that this divine male that I'm speaking to could be scared. This person feels that this investment in this relationship could be risky financially and emotionally for them with the Knight of Cups. Because the Knight of Cups is someone that's very charming, romantic, and it also speaks of proposals, like in marriage proposals, okay? I think this person that I'm speaking to has unrealistic expectations also. It's almost like, I'm not sure who I'm speaking to, okay? This person sees this as a risky investment, a risky to invest in relationship. But in the same breath, they're also desiring something where they could be investing their energy into, like in the form of a relationship with the Ten of Coins. They're looking for something long term, okay? The specific person that I'm speaking to is looking for something long term. But it's like I said, this person is inconsistent. I don't know. I don't know. This person's energy is all over the place. It's like this with the Knight of Cups. It comes across as someone that has a very, I wouldn't say, the word that came to mind is a hostile energy with the Knight of Cups. Okay, if you look at the Knight of Cups, if this person is not in control of the emotional aspects of the cups, of the emotions, it means this person is not in control of the mental state. Because this person can be a charming, romantic person, very kind, etc. But, excuse me, it's almost like the same person that can be romantic and charming, etc., can also become a very moody person. A person that has unrealistic expectations from the other party, also in a relationship with a Knight of Cups. Because this person is, with the Knight of Cups, you will see he has a lot of hearts on his pants, and this, it's an indication to me that this person can be, excuse me, overly emotional. In other words, the emotions can get a hold of them basically, and they can become moody, possibly, like, what would be the word? Not only moody, someone that would become nasty, okay? Like they would be snide in their remarks, etc. Ten of Coins is the next card. The Ten of Coins speaks of leaving a legacy, retirement, and inheritance. Like I said, it's like this person is looking for this divine male or divine female. Oh, I don't want to say this is just a divine male. Energies are interchangeable. It's like this person is looking for this. Okay, the Ten of Coins, the long-term commitment, but in the same breath that they're looking for it, they're also very inconsistent. I don't know who I'm talking to here. Could be this person could be a very stubborn person and very set in their ways, possibly. This is why this Knight of Cups can be very stubborn with a Ten of Coins. It's like this person is very stubborn and set in their ways. I'm not sure if I'm talking to a divine male that is established. It could be that I'm talking to a divine male that's established financially. This person is willing, is looking for commitment, but this person is also in the same breath not looking for it. It could be just a person that's very comfortable in their own skin. They're possibly faced with a situation where they could invest in a relationship, but they're reluctant, possibly. I'm not sure. It comes across that way. The next Six of Wands is the next card. The Six of Wands speaks of victory, awards, and recognition. Good news of success. Excuse me, these individuals that I'm talking to, like I said, they are successful people, hardworking. It could be someone that has their own business. I don't know. Okay, it could be anyone. It could be even someone that built a business around the artistic endeavor, and they created coins for themselves in that regard. Or it could be just someone that's, you can be, it doesn't necessarily have to be this person is an artist in the form of a singer or a musician. It could be a painter. It could be anyone, okay. But this person that I'm talking to, this person already created this wealth for themselves. It's like this person is very stubborn and they cannot make up their mind about something. The Lilith card is the next card. The Lilith card is the number 3 card in the Major Arcana. It's the Empress card, and it speaks of abundance, fertility, and creation. And this person that I'm talking to, this person is definitely financially abundant and stable. With a Hangman card, it's like this person has a lot of creativity as well. This person is also very emotionally stable and sound. It's not like, it doesn't come across as someone that's, it doesn't come across as someone that's unstable emotionally. It just comes across as someone that, for some or other reason, cannot make their mind up about something. They need to decide about something. It could be that they are faced with something, but they need to choose, or they need to decide about something. But this situation is a promise of restoration from the universe. I don't know what the hell this is, okay. I don't want to say this is love. It could be anything. It could be a creative thing also that you're going to embark on, and you find purpose in it, etc. The Hangman card is the next card. It's the number 12 card in the Major Arcana, and it speaks of wisdom, self-sacrifice, and looking at things from a new perspective. I'm not sure who I'm talking to here, but the universe is asking you to take a new perspective on things. Like I said, this person could be very stubborn. This person is a well-established person, hard-working person, sound in every aspect with a Lilith card, creative, abundant. I don't know. Yeah, this person overlooking it. I don't know if this is a divine male that comes across, that I might be speaking to a divine male, and this person that they are dealing with is possibly a mother. This person could be an older person. One of you is an older person here with a 10 of coins. You also see this person as someone very abundant and fertile, divine male. But it's also coming across like reluctance from you, but the universe is telling you restoration. I don't know, possibly restoration in this, whatever this dynamic is going to restore something. I don't know what, okay? But the universe is also asking you to take a new perspective on something. I'm not sure what you need to take a new perspective on. Look at something from a different perspective. Not from the perspective that you would usually look at something. The 9 of coins is the next card. Speaks of luxury, self-sufficiency, financial gain, and social pleasures. See, I think you, when you see this person, this is what you see. When you look at this individual, you look at this individual like this, like someone that's, this woman, she is a businesswoman, she's hardworking. She walked a long road to get here to where she was. She also has her own garden which she tends. This sign, this is also represented by Capricorn. It could be you dealing with a Capricorn or someone that has got strong Capricorn in their chart. But this person that you're dealing with represents the 9 of coins. They are a very abundant, fertile person here with the Lilith card as well. But there's a lot of indecisiveness from this divine male. There's a lot of indecisiveness from this divine male. It's like he cannot make up his mind whether he wants to accept this transformation with these banners. You see here, he's looking away. He's not even taking note of her. So, I'm not sure. Okay, it all boils down to, at the end of the day, to choices. And whether this person is going to choose this or not. But it doesn't look like something that you need to worry about. So, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, it's your choice at the end of the day. I hope this video was helpful. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, please take care and have a wonderful day. There's no extendeds on these. Okay, I'm so sorry. I would really like to extend on this, but I can't do that. Anyway, take care. Bye.